Funny Hindi for travelers. I would like, do you have, and
Menu.
phrases in
Hindi.
Welcome to the Polite Survival Mission. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi phrases that can save you in a shop, cafe, or restaurant. And yes, you'll sound polite, calm, and only slightly dramatic. Imagine you are traveling in India. You are hungry, thirsty, curious, and maybe staring at a mysterious snack that could be delicious or could be a brave life choice. Today you'll learn how to say
मुझे चाहिए.
for, I would like.
क्या आपके पास है?
For, could you please show me that?
आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
For, what time do you close? And
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
for, could I see the menu? Let's go be politely unstoppable. First magic phrase. I would like. Start with the phrase you'll use again and again. It's simple, useful, and powerful enough to summon tea. The core phrase is
मुझे चाहिए.
It means, I would like, or, I need, in a polite, practical way. If you want tea, say,
मुझे चाय चाहिए.
That means, I would like tea. If you want water, say,
मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए.
Nice, simple, hydrated. If you want the menu, you can say,
मुझे मेन्यू चाहिए, कृपया.
Very useful when your stomach has already started filing complaints. Funny memory trick. Imagine a parrot in a cafe yelling,
मुझे बिस्कुट चाहिए.
over and over until someone gives it a biscuit. Now the phrase sticks. Shop detective. Do you have? Now let's ask if someone has something. This is your phrase for shops, stalls, pharmacies, and random moments of need. Say,
क्या आपके पास है?
for, do you have? For example,
क्या आपके पास कलम है?
means, do you have a pen? Need water? Ask.
क्या आपके पास पानी है?
In a bookstore, you can ask.
माफ कीजिए, क्या आपके पास ये किताब है?
Meaning, excuse me, do you have this book? Quick pattern.
क्या?
Starts the question.
आपके पास
Means, with you, or, do you have, and
है.
closes it. It's like building a polite question sandwich. Point, smile, ask. Sometimes you don't know the word for the thing. No problem. Humanity invented pointing. When you see an item and want the other person to show it to you, say,
क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं?
This means, could you please show me that? Imagine you are in a shop, looking at something on a top shelf, possibly a scarf, possibly a teapot, possibly a glittering object of mystery. You point politely and say,
क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं?
bonus word.
कृपया.
Means, please. It adds a respectful, friendly tone. So yes, this phrase is long, but it does a lot of work. It points, it requests, it stays polite, and it prevents wild guessing. Beat the closing time drama. Now for the phrase that helps you avoid the tragedy of arriving 2 minutes before a shop closes. Ask.
आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
This means, what time do you close? The key part.
कितने बजे
Means, what time. And
बंद करते हैं?
means, close. Yes.
बंद.
Here means closed, not a rock band playing farewell music for the shop. Picture this. You run toward a market stall, see the owner reaching for the shutter, and ask heroically.
आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
The owner smiles. You are not too late. Your snack dreams survive. Restaurant hero mode. Before ordering, you usually want to see what's available. Preferably before accidentally ordering 7 bowls of something fiery. Say,
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
for, could I see the menu? This phrase is perfect at a restaurant or cafe. You sit down, smile, and ask.
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
Smooth, civilized, much safer than pointing randomly at a stranger's dinner. If you then decide what you want, you can follow with
मुझे चाय चाहिए.
or.
मुझे पानी चाहिए.
So the menu phrase opens the door and
मुझे चाहिए.
helps you order. Mini dialogue in a cafe. Let's put the phrases together in a short scene. Listen like you're right there at the table. You enter a cafe and sit down. You say,
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
the waiter brings it. You look thoughtful, as if choosing food is a major philosophical event. Then you say,
मुझे एक कप चाय चाहिए.
a minute later, you remember hydration exists. So you add,
मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए.
you spot a dessert at another table and ask the waiter.
क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं?
Now you are no longer just a customer. You are a polite multilingual legend. Mini dialogue in a shop. Now let's switch from cafe mode to shopping mode. Same confidence, fewer teaspoons. You walk into a shop and ask.
क्या आपके पास ये किताब है?
The shopkeeper points to a shelf. You squint dramatically because of course the exact item is far away. So you say.
क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं?
Then, being clever and prepared, you ask.
आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
Perfect. You found the item, saw the item, and learned the closing time. This is elite traveler behavior. Quick recall challenge. Your turn. I'll give the English, and you try the Hindi in your head or out loud. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. Fun pressure. How do you say, I would like?
मुझे चाहिए.
How do you say, do you have?
क्या आपके पास है?
How do you say, could you please show me that?
क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं?
How do you say, what time do you close?
आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
How do you say, could I see the menu?
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned 5 Hindi phrases that are small, practical, and surprisingly powerful. Today you practiced.
मुझे चाहिए. क्या आपके पास है? क्या आप मुझे वो कृपया दिखा सकते हैं? आप कितने बजे बंद करते हैं?
And.
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकती हूँ?
Thanks for listening and keep practicing out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural they'll feel, and soon you'll be ordering, asking, and exploring in Hindi with real confidence.